All right, good morning, second grade. We're doing lesson 160, page 319 and 320. We're getting to the end of our pages. I do have two visitors today. We have Ninja again, and we have Ben the Ninja. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go through our 15 family, and we're going to, what are we going to do?
Doing the addition family and dabbing.
All right, dabbing and
flossing.
all right, flossing. So let's have Ninja come over here so you can dab.
I'll go
on
here.
This side. Okay, and let's have, okay, you can be there, but let's remember, Ben, that you want to be looking at your facts sheet, the charts, okay?
Then I'll go with my turn.
Okay, all right, here we go. Ready? So we're going to go through our 15 family. Ready? On the answer.
15.
0 plus 15 equals 15. 1 plus 14 equals 15. 2 plus 13 equals 15. 3 plus 12 equals 15. 4 plus 11 equals 15. 5 plus 10 equals 15. 6 plus 9 equals 15. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 9 plus 7 equals 15. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 11 plus 4 equals 15. 12 plus 3 equals 15. 13 plus 2 equals 15. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 plus 0 equals 15. Good job. Good job, Ninja and Ben. All right, let's do our subtraction family, and we're going to go all the way to 15 minus 10. So we're going to do all this all the way to 15 minus 10, and then we're going to stand in front of the chart, so you have to memorize it. So let's go ahead, look at it the first time, and you can then memorize it the next time. Do whatever, what action are you going to do? You're going to do something different, or you're going to do the same?
Just stand here.
You're going to just stand? Okay, I'm going to march, so you can choose one of the actions that they're doing, or doing your own. You can punch, you can karate chop, you can ski hop, whatever you want to do. Ready, begin. 15 minus 0 equals 15. 15 minus 1 equals 14. 15 minus 2 equals 13. 15 minus 3 equals 12. 15 minus 4 equals 11. 15 minus 5 equals 10. 15 minus 6 equals 9. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 15 minus 8 equals 9. Oh, sorry, 7. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 15 minus 10 equals 5. 15, oh, and that's all we're going to today. Good, so let's try it again without looking. All right, let's stand in front of the chart.
Oh, come on.
Let's see how you do. Ready? 15 minus 0 equals 15. 15 minus 1 equals 14. 15 minus 2 equals 13. 15 minus 3 equals 12. 15 minus 4 equals 11. 15 minus 10 equals 5. 15 minus 6 equals 9. 15 minus 7 equals 8. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 15 minus 9 equals 6. 15 minus 10 equals 5. Good job. All right, if you were able to do all that, whew, good for you. Oh, good. Okay, now today we're going to talk about something new. So let's have Ben and Ninja come, and they will be students. So students are going to sit. All right, today we're going to look at something new, something called a line graph. So sometimes when we want to measure how things change throughout the day, we'll talk about maybe the temperature. And what did you say?
Vertical.
And it is vertical, it is up and down. So all the information is reading up and down. So we'll notice that it is measured by what, Ben?
I don't know.
Why don't you look at these, Ben, and see what they
It's
say.
on like June, July, August.
So what do we call those? It's measured by the
magical
months. These are the months. And then what are we counting by? What are we counting by?
Choose 4, 6, 8,
70, 75, 80, 85. Okay, we're counting by fives. So each, good job. Each box we're counting by 5. So that will also take an important part. Now when we do line graphs, we start with the bottom and we take our amount and we measure, well, where they meet. So I'm going to give some instructions to Ben and Micah, and I'm going to ask them to look at the line graph and to place a dot. This is a dot that I have for them, where the degree and the month line, where they meet together at the same time.
How is that possible?
Oh, you will see. So Micah, come on up. I'll let you start first. For the month of April, it was 70 degrees. So find April and find 70 where the lines meet, put it on. So here's April, the line, and 70, where do they meet together? Right at the point where they meet, right here, where they meet. So right there, okay? All right, good job, Ninja. So 70 and April meant here on this line. All right, Ben, come on up. For May, it was 80 degrees. So Ben's gonna look at the month of May, and he's gonna look at 80 degrees, and he's gonna follow the two lines where they meet together. So here is, oh, here, let me get you one that works. Here, Ben, where's 80? Ben, where's 80? Where's your line of 80? Okay. Is May on that line? Is May on that line? Where's the line of May? Is May over there? So look, follow the line of May and 80 where they come together. Ah, good job. So May and 80 met right here on this exact spot. Good, now Micah's gonna come up and he's going to do, Ben, turn around, the month of June. In June, it was 90 degrees. So find June and 90. Where does June, oh, good job. Oh, perfect. All right, Benjamin, in July, it was 100. So start with July and look for 100. Wait, stop.
That's burning, that's burning.
So follow all the way up. Is that, okay, let's see. Is that 100? No, close.
Oh my God.
Is that the 100 line? Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay. A little higher. All right, so he's almost there.
I can reach for him.
Yeah, maybe I'll have to reach for him.
No.
Now you did it. Put it up there. Come on, put it up there.
I don't know where to go. That's embarrassing. That's embarrassing.
You're not ready to have a card yet.
I don't
Okay,
know
have a seat.
where it goes.
All right. Let's have another one, Ben, just for good measure. Okay, so August, come on
I
up.
don't know where it goes.
Oh, good. I'll show you. So, look at the class and tell them you're going to figure it out. Go ahead, look at the class.
I'm going to figure it out.
Okay, so come on over. So we'll do another one. We'll do August. So come point out August, Ben. Yeah, you'll do the last one. Do you see August here? Let's step to the side so they can see. Do you see where it says August? Point to it. Okay. Now in August, Ben, it was 95 degrees. So follow up your August line. And you got to say the August line. Okay, so now follow up August. Is that 95? You're on 95, but not August. Good job. Excellent. So Ben got August. Excellent. And in the last one, September, it was 90 degrees. So September, it was 90 degrees. Make sure in September. Good. So September, it was 90. So here we have our degrees. April, 70. May, 80. June, 90.
100.
July, super duper hot. August 95 and September 90. Which 2 months had the same temperature?
90.
Which ones? What months?
June and September.
All right, June and September. But Ben, which one was the hottest?
May. Wait, April.
Okay, look at the hot month. What was the hottest? Look at your hottest month.
July.
Good job. Good. So July was 100. Do you think you'd survive in 100 degree temperature?
You would die.
It'd be very hot. Well, we wouldn't die, but if we didn't have water, we would need water. What do you think you'd wear if it were 100 degrees?
50, 100.
Would you wear
50,
a sweater? Would I be wearing this in 100 degrees?
No.
Probably not. Would Ninja Man be wearing his ninja outfit?
No, I would be wearing 50, 100 short sleeve shirt.
All right. So we would for sure not wear that. All right. Now here is the part where it becomes a line graph. So when it becomes a line graph, we take our pencil and we connect the dots. How many of you like to connect the dots?
I want it worship.
I do. Come here, Ben. So he's going to connect the green dot to the orange dot. So he'll draw a line from the green to the orange.
Okay.
Good. And then Mike is going to come up and connect the orange to the yellow. You'll do the next one, Ben. Here, you can just keep your own. Okay. And then orange to yellow. And then Ben, you come up and connect. What's the next dot that we connect, Ben? Oh, are you right? Do you go from June to August? No, we go.
Where's July?
Oh, there you go. Oh. Okay, go ahead, try again. All right, yellow to green, good. And then Micah's going to connect green to yellow. July to August. Good. And then Benjamin will collect August to September.
What are we making?
And this, I'll make you have a seat.
It's a volcano.
It actually is just what we call a line graph. So, have a seat.
Oh, I thought it was.
So, it is a graph that talks about temperature. So, it just shows us that in April, the temperature is very, very
hot.
Is 70 hot?
Oh, cold.
It's colder. In July, it's super duper hot. And then what does the temperature start to do as it gets August and September? It starts to
lower and get.
It starts to lower and go down. So this line graph is actually on your paper today. So you should be able to follow through and answer all those questions on your paper. So that would be on page 320. They asked you for all the temperatures. We talked about it. April was 70, May was 80, June was 90, Micah. July 100, August was 95, and September was 90. September was 90. And then you would subtract those temperatures for your problems at the end. Now the last thing, stop it. The last two things we're going to look at before we have our game is yesterday we talked about dimes and pennies. And we said that dimes is closest to your decimal point. Pennies is the furthest away. In each spot goes a number. Micah, come up and put in for us on the first spot with our numbers here. Show me 89 cents. 89 cents. So how many dimes would there be for 89 cents? I'll go ahead and put it in the two spots there. All right, so how many dimes do we have, Micah? And how many pennies? All right, Benjamin, come on up and show us 47 cents. Micah, stop. 47 cents. Good, Ben, how many dimes do we have?
4.
We have
7.
4 dimes and 7 cents. And then Micah's going to do one of the numbers and Ben will be doing the other number. 12 cents. So 12, you come do the one, you do the pennies and you do the dimes, Micah. 12 cents. So you think it through, what two digits equal 12?
I can't put this down.
All right. Ben, how many pennies were there?
That's 2. That's 2 cents.
Tell your class, how many pennies were there, Ben?
How many pennies? 2!
There were 2. Micah, how many pennies were there?
Huh?
Sorry. How many dimes were there? All right, there was 1. Okay, the last thing that I want to look at is, all right, we'll help you. We're going to look at our clocks at 7:15.
This is a game?
7:15.
Oh, no.
Go to 7:15. 7:15. Okay, all right, 7:15. Now it says a half an hour to get there. What time did they get there? Ben, how many minutes are in half an hour?
I don't know.
Well, let's count. Half an hour is to the 6. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So half of our clock. All right, Ben. So from here, you move our minute hand 30 minutes.
Yay.
So let's see. Count 5.
7:30.
Okay, Ben. Go ahead. We'll try again. See this minute hand? I want you to move it 30 minutes. So count by 5s until you
5,
get.
10.
We don't ever start here. We go to the next number.
5, 10, 15.
Okay, try again, and each number say 5. So 5.
5.
Keep going.
5.
What's the next? 5.
25.
Count by fives.
5,
5.
10,
You keep moving it. 5. Here's 10.
15, 20.
Oh, we need to go all the way to 30.
25, 30.
Good. So, Micah, what time was it? So, what time is it?
7, 30. No.
I think it's
7, 45.
7:45. So, on your clock, it started at 7:15. A half an hour later was 7:45. We moved our minute hand only. All right, now, the next time was 10:10. And they asked us to, that it took 60 minutes. So you have to think this through. 1 hour equals
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So my hour hand, which one's my hour hand? It moves 1 spot. And now, Ben, what time is it now? What's my hour?
5.
Wait, say the hour.
11. 10.
Good, it's 11:10. So that should help you. Now we're gonna finish with a game. We're gonna finish with a game. All right, we're gonna play capture the card.
Oh, no.
Let's see, Micah and Ben, you guys come over here so they can see it. So you two, come over this way. Ben, come here.
I want a chair.
So Micah, come here.
Can I sit in a chair?
Let's see. Micah, come sit here. Sit right there. Let's have Ben come sit right here. All right, and then I'm gonna show you the cards. And then if whoever answers correctly gets it first. Are you guys ready to try?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
13.
What is it?
13.
It's 14. That's okay. Here we go. Next one.
9. 9. Oh.
Go. 8 plus 5.
13.
9 plus 5.
14. I can't.
9 plus 5 again.
14.
Tie. You both get a card. Card for you, card for you. 3 plus 7.
10. You gave me 2 cards actually.
It's okay. 2 plus 7.
9. 9.
2 plus 8.
10. 10.
4 plus 9.
13.
8 plus 3.
11. 11.
9 plus 9.
18. 18.
6 plus 7.
13. 13. I know.
That's okay. You guys are doing well. 5 plus 8.
8.
I said it. 5 plus 3. You don't get that. Actually, I'll give you each a card since I said the answer. All right. 4 plus 8.
12.
9 plus 4.
13.
6 plus 8.
14. 15.
14. Nice try.
What?
8 plus 9. Oh no. 8 plus 9.
Something.
3 more cards. 2 plus 6.
8. 8.
2 more cards. 7 plus 8.
15.
And last card, and then we'll do subtraction. 7 plus 4.
11. 11.
All right, let's get into our subtraction now. Good job. You both are doing well. Oh, sit, 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 sit.
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, I'll collect those from you. Good job.
Ben won.
Ben was the winner for that one. Good. Okay, here we go. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 equals 15 minus 8 equals we just got today.
7.
7. That was our problem today.
wow.
Here we go. 18 minus 9 equals
9.
double.
Oh,
Don't do it.
I'm being destroyed.
16 minus 8 equals.
8. It's only 5 minutes.
Okay, first of all, he only has 2 cards and you only have 1. I want you to stop or I'm going to take you off.
You won plus.
15 minus 6 equals. That's today's.
10.
That's today's. 15 minus 6 equals 9. 12 minus 6.
6.
That's a double. Good. Oh, there's the chocolate. Oh, here's a you guys get a bonus. 7 plus 5.
12.
12. Okay, here, Ben, I want you to stop.
You're doing good.
You're doing great.
I only have 2 cards.
4 minus 4. Aye.
0.
0. Okay, 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 equals.
5.
Oh, you're close. Nice try. 11 minus 8.
4.
You can answer. 11 minus 8 equals.
4.
Nope. 8,
No, 3.
9, 10, 11. Neither one of you get it. 13 minus 9 equals.
6. 5.
Start the next number after 9 and count to 13.
4.
4. 10 minus 5.
5.
12 minus 8.
6.
Start the next number after 8.
4.
Count to 12. 4. Last one. 14 minus 9 equals. 14 minus 9 equals.
7.
Start the next number after 9 and count to 14.
Wait.
10.
13. No, 3.
today. Now, all of your things that we went over today, we did in our lesson, so you guys can count them. Have a great day, and Ninja and Ben, say goodbye.
Hiya!
Goodbye.